Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with music and sound effects. That's right, this is an ongoing series that we're going to have fun creating music and sound effects from everyday items. So hang tight and come on back for some fun. So here are the supplies you're going to need for the project. That's right. We're making a shaker, an egg shaker. A little bit different. It's almost like a maraca. So I am using an empty silly putty container. But around Easter time, or if you actually have them in your closet, you could get an Easter egg as well and do the same thing. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to get a little bit of material inside to make the noise. I like rice. It's easy to work with. It's cheap at the Dollar Tree or dollar stores. Where you fill just a little bit. Whoops. Okay. You want to close it up before you set it down because you don't want the bag falling over and spilling all over the place. Okay. And then all you do is snap it shut, okay? So now, as it is, you could do that, okay? Like we've done other shakers that way. And if you wanted to, you could just put a little tape on it and seal it shut. But we're gonna make a fancy version with 2 plastic spoons. You can get these at restaurants that, like fast food restaurants. I'm not condoning eating at fast food restaurants. However, if you do and you've got a couple extra spoons, that's the way to do it. So what you're going to do is you're going to rest the, and I would probably do it sideways so that the seam is covered with the spoon. You're going to put the other spoon on top just like that, okay? And then all you got to do, and I'm going to use Scotch tape or Scotch type tape. This is Duck brand invisible tape. Wait a second. I'm seeing rice emerge. I don't know if that's good. Maybe you need to, let's see if I'm, oh, you know what? I think we do need to do it the other way. This way it'll do it. I think what we need to do is seal off the egg first, okay? So we're going to get some Scotch tape or Scotch type tape. We're going to seal off the seam, okay, just like this, okay, and I had just enough, and then kind of grip it so that you have it just like that. So now it's sealed, okay, put it in the egg in the spoon. You have an egg race, but you put the spoons on it like that. And then we're going to tape around the outside, okay? So you want to tape around the outside, sealing in that egg. You want that egg to be sealed in there, okay? So now it's there, but you might want to take a little bit of extra tape and tape together the spoons so the spoons don't start shifting on you. Just like that. And there it is with some rice, just like that. And a little bit of tape, 2 spoons, and an egg, a plastic egg. You have a maraca, just like that. And it would be perfect, again, remember, for a rattlesnake sound, or just having fun in your next musical endeavor. Hey, thanks for coming along. I appreciate it. This is the DIY Magician with another how to create music and sound effects with everyday items. We'll see you next time.